Hello everyone, my name is Jitendra Bhafna. I am a senior MuleSoft architect. In this video, we're going to see what is a plug operator in data transformation, and also we will see what is a reduce operation in data transformation. Basically, plug and the reduce are very useful object, and we are going to see how we can use reduce and the plug operator in our data transformation. Okay, so what is a plug operator and why we want to use the plug operator? So basically, plug operator iterate over the object, a list of object, or basically it iterate over the object, and output will be the array. So it form the array output. Okay, it is a similar to map object, but it doesn't work on array. So let's start. Useful for mapping an object into array. As I mentioned, plug iterate over the object and returns an array of key values and the indices. We will see that it is alternative to map object, which is similar but return an object instead of an array. Okay, map object always return an object, whereas map like plug operator always return an array. What does this means? Let me go to my data view editor, and I can form, like, this is my, I will take one object which I can say a1, or like I am wrong, so a something like this, e1 comma b1 comma c1. Okay, so it's 1, I can say 2, I can say 3. So this is my payload, or simply what I can do, I can control X and I can say var message is equals to this. Then here I can say message, I want to convert this into array plug. So plug always take 3 parameter, value, key and index. Okay, but we don't require this. I can say so if you want to read the value, you always use a single dollar. If you want to read a key, you always use a double dollar. If you want to read an index or indices, you always use a triple dollar. So dollar. So we are able to read a value. As I mentioned, we always use a single dollar to read a value and it get converted into array. As I mentioned, the result will be always array, but I want name value pair, so I can use dollar dollar. You can see I got that a equals to 1, so it properly converted into multiple object, and like and it is a output is in the form of array, correct? So instead of I say triple dollar, so it will give 0 1 2 3. So 0 is the index, 1 is the index, 2 is the index. Okay, so that is how you can use the plug operator in your mule data transformation, but we will take some complex example. Basically, I have this JSON payload. Okay, I want this to get converted into, so basically I have a two object. Okay, basically, so car is a key and this is the particular value, car is a key and this is the value. So I have a two object in that. I want to convert this into array. Okay, and I just want to display the value. So what I can do, so I can remove this particular message, and simply what I can do, payload plug a dollar. So you can see the car key has been removed, and you can see the because I only put the dollar, you can see that everything is get converted into array. You can see the square bracket at the top, square bracket at the top. Okay, next thing, if I say triple dollar, it will give two value, so it will give an index. So this is index 1, this is index 2. Okay, but I want to display a key value pair. So, okay, so in this case I can use this particular syntax. Okay, so it get converted into array, but your key is also there, your value is also there, right? So this is how you can use a plug operator to convert any object into the array. Basically it iterate over each and every object. Okay, I can show you one more syntax. Let me show that also. What I can do, payload plug. Okay, so it take three value key index, and I can say just display a value. So it will just display the value. This is the lambda syntax. So lambda expression, you can make use of lambda expression. Now you want to display key, both key and value both, so you can say key always into a circle bracket and say value, so it will display key value. Now you want to display the index, so it will car at 0th index, other car. So there are two cars basically, right? So that is how you can also make use of lambda expression for the plug. So plug is basically iterate over each and every object and convert the whole, and the output will be in the form of array. It's a similar to map object, okay, but map object always give output in the form of object, whereas this gives output in the form of array. Okay, so that's a plug operator. So what reduce operator? Reduce operator applies a reduction expression to element in the array. Okay, so reduce operation have take two parameter, one is item, one is accumulator. So item is nothing, it's a value, or accumulator, like it keep on adding or like accumulating the value in that particular accumulated. So item is always referenced by dollar, accumulator is always referenced by double dollar. So you can see for each element of the input array, in order reduce apply the reduction lambda expression, the replace the accumulator with a new result. Okay, I will show you. The lambda expression can use both the current input array and the current accumulator value. So let me do one thing. Let me explain with example. So I have a 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now I have used the reduce operator. So reduce operator take two parameter, accumulator and item. So I can initialize my accumulator with 0. Okay, and under this I can say accumulator plus item. In this case, what is happening? It is adding all this. So what will happen? The initial value for I will just write ACC is 0. Now the first index, what will happen? Item is equals to 1. In second, accumulator is 1. Item is equals to 2. In third, accumulator is 3 because it will add the item and save the result in the accumulator. 1 plus 2, it's become 3. The item will become 4, or item is 4 or 3. Item is 3, sorry. In this case, accumulator will become item plus accumulator will 6, and item will be 4 in this case. And the final accumulator is the 10. That's why we can see the 10 in the output. Okay. So that is how it works. So you can see 10. So I will show in better format, so I can do various operation. Here I can say sum. So I got the sum equals to 10. Let me copy this. Concatenate. Here I will concatenate. I will just add the string. If I use double plus plus operator, and it should be space. It should be space. So you can see 0. I will remove it. So you can see 1, 2, 3, 4. In this, it concatenate. So if I have used the plus plus, so it will, instead of sum the string, it will concatenate the string. So that is how you can make use of your reduce operator. We will take some complex example also. So I have this particular payload. Okay, so let me remove this. I just want to display name. I want to reduce to name. I just want to display the name. So I can say payload reduce item accumulator. Okay, and I can initialize item with empty array. Then I can put I can plus item. Okay, so item dot, I just want name, so I can see both the name. Instead of that I can put some different name. So I have reduced this to the only name, just I am reading the name basically. Correct. Now I want to display like John, and John as a key and age as a 25. So John will be the key and age will be the value. How can I do that? So I can say something is fishy. Okay, this one. So now I can say name is pair, and you can say payload reduce. Okay, accumulator, this will automatically come item and accumulator. I can initialize with empty curly brackets, like empty object. Then here I can say, so I want name as a my key. So what I can do, I can say item dot, I can say name, then item dot age. So also you have to do, okay, so accumulator, you have to add the accumulator always. So you can see, so name well and age has been displayed as a key or value pair, right? Right. So this is how you can make use of reduce operator in the MuleSoft, right? So I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please click on subscribe and like buttons. Thanks for watching.